So welcome to this session. So in previous class we are started of terms used in the screw threads, means in a screw fasteners. So these are the main terms used in the screw threads. Come to the points: angle of thread, flank, slope, crest, root, depth of thread, axis, nominal diameter, major diameter, pitch diameter, minor diameter. So these are all the main terms used in the screw fasteners or a screw threads. So continue. So we are explaining about previous slide. So what is the nominal diameter? Nominal diameter is an outer surface of the thread. So outer diameter is whatever diameter is there. This is the nominal diameter. And what is the axis? Axis means center line of the joint. It is the center line of the joint. So next, angle of thread. So what is the angle of thread? Means the cutting of the threads in a V-shaped. This is the what is the angle will cut in the section. This is called as a angle of thread. Next one is flank. Flank means the V-shaped thread is there is no in that we are surface, outer surface of the flank is called surface of the thread is called as a flank. Then what is the slope? Slope means one thread portion to the angle of a twist or angle of cutting on the V thread. This is the slope of the how much of degree we can cut in the section. This is called as a slope. Next we go for crest. So what is the crest? Crest is the thread cutting portion in the outer surface of the thread. This is called as a crest. Then what is the root? Root is a inner surface of the threading portions, is called as a root. Depth of cut. Depth of cut means the what is the amount of, what is the size of the thread portions will be cut in a deep groove, is called as a depth of cut. Next one is pitch. What is the pitch? Pitch is the distance between one thread to the another corresponding pitch thread distance is called as a pitch. So 0.5 is the 0.5 P is the internal pitch of the starting 0.5 internal pitch. So major diameter. So what is the major diameter? Is the inner portions or in outer portions of the diameter thread portions is called as a major diameter. What is the pitch? So distance between major diameter to the minor diameter in between the diameter middle portions is called as a pitch diameter. What is the minor diameter? Minor diameter is the least value of the threads or in a least value of the minor diameter. These are the main components or threads used in the pitch or in a screw threads. So what is the pitch? Then pitch is equal to 1 divided by number of threads per unit length of a one screw. 1 divided by number of threads per unit length of screw is called as a pitch. So these are the terms used in the screw threads. So what is the forms of screw threads? What are forms means is a different types of forming of a screw threads. First one is British standard without thread. British standard BSW, British standard Whitworth thread. Second one is British Association thread, BA, British Association thread. Third one is American National Standard thread, American National thread, ANS. Next, fourth one is Unified Standard thread. Means these are all the standard types of threads. Means example M4, 34, M30, M24, like that is the standard size of the threads. So we are not changing of the dimensions or parameters. This is a fixed on the threads. This is a permanently fastening and high quality threads and costly one also. Next one is square thread. So square thread cutting of the surface of in a square shaped. So like square shaped threads we are using, and acme threads, V shaped threads, or in a groove shaped threads, knuckle threads, buttress threads or a matrix threads. These are all the types of forms in the screw threads. This is the main purpose of using of screw threads. Next we go for British Standard Whitworth thread. So what is the British Whitworth thread? What is this in the threads is indicates, means has coarse pitches and symmetrical V thread for special purpose of using BSP and BSF. These are the standard threads in the British Standard Whitworth thread. Please observe here, H is the height of the threaded pitch from threaded portion from bottom to height. What is the distance is this called as a H. Then see, similar small h is equal to some similar area to the main top end of the little bit where ranges, this called as a small h. Then distance of capital H to small h is equal to h by 6. Then what is the pitch? Pitch is equal to one thread to the corresponding adjacent to the next thread is called as a pitch. These are all the plank. So next one is crest. Crest is the topmost corner of the pitch is called as a crest. Then roots is a bottom size of the curve shaped thread is called as a roots. These are all the main points using of in the BSW, British Standard Whitworth threads. So H is equal to 0.96 P, means is H is the distance of 0.96 times of pitch. Small h is equal to 0.64 times of pitch. So these are the, we are using parameters on the this one type of BSW threads. Then what is the angle of thread is called is 55 degree. So one thread to the another corresponding thread of angle is called as a 55 degree. This is the British Standard Whitworth thread. There is no parameter changes. It will be main purpose of using is high quality threads. Second one is British Association thread. This is the British Association thread. Is also some parameters or different type of indications is there. First one is HAS fine pitches. HAS fine pitches used in the instruments. See difference between the previous BSW and BA threads. So this is the angle. Observe here, angle is 47.5 degrees there. Angle in previous done is a 55 degree angle. Then see the radius and what is the H and H. This is the H. See, observe here, H is equal to in previous case 0.96 P times H is there, but here H is equal to 1.16634 times of P. So small h is equal to 0.64 in the British BSW pitch, and here h is equal to 0.6 times of P. So radius is 0.813. So this is the difference between the different types of threads we are manufacturing the in different ways, but is in a standard parameters and standard size of bolts we are using in a British Association threads. Okay. So next one is American National Standard threads. It's also one of the type of nationalized standard thread. Is an I has a flat crest and roots, has a flat crest roots and rough usage general purpose. See the angle is 60 degree. So this is the angle, main purpose of angle. See the previous one is 55 degree. BA thread is equal to 47 degree. Here is 60 degree, and pitch is from corresponding one pitch one thread to the another adjacent thread is called as a pitch. See here h is equal to 0.66 times of P. So in different types of different h is calculation in the different threads. See h is equal to h by 8, capital H and small h. See these are the different notations, so different angles we are using in American National Standard threads. Okay, go for next one. Unified standard threads. Unified standard threads, common thread in Great Britain, Canada and United States. We are using this type of unified standard threads. Facilitate exchanging machinery, has rounded crest and roots. So this is also one of the type of different parameters observed here. So where angle of outer side of angle is 60 degrees, sometimes 47 degree and 55 degree, but here is inner portion of the angle is 60 degree. So this is the observation. H is equal to 0.88 sections of P. Observe capital H and small h. What is the P? Pitch. So this is also one of the type of parameters and is a standard size of the pitches we are using in standard threads. Square threads. So this is the one of the different type of thread, square thread. So this is the main purpose of square thread is equal to high holding purpose and gripping purpose, but frictional is very high in square thread. See, this is the pitch. See, one corresponding crest of the to the another corresponding crest of the teeth is called as a pitch. So this is called as a pitch divided by t. What is the pitch is there? Distance divided by 2 is equal to this one, and pitch divided by 2. This type of also is pitch divided by 2, and is also horizontal is also pitch by 2, and vertical is also pitch by 2. Total distance of is also pitch by 2. So only the different is in a square is in a angle is 90 degree. The purpose of is in a square thread. So what is the main purpose is in a advantage means and purpose of using is high efficiency, means high efficiency holding purpose grip is high. Second one is used for transmission of power either both side, either inner side or outer side, used in a machine tools, using of machine tools purpose we are using. Fourth one is not strong compared to V threads. It is a not strong compared to V threads. V threads is very strong, but chances of a V thread is failure of thread portions or thread components will be failure, but in the type of this chances of failure is less frictional resistance of the friction means one face to the another face rubbing surface of is called as a very less. Twice the load compared to the V threads. Compared to V threads, the load carrying capacity is high, and compared to V threads load carrying capacity, V threads is very less. These are the main advantages for using of square thread. Fourth one is Acme threads. So observe the sketch here. What is the different types of P and what is the angle, what is the pitch divided by T and P divided by 4. So pitch, observe here, pitch is in a vertical portions, pitch of threaded portion to the another pitch of the another thread is called as a pitch, one teeth to the another teeth, and pitch is equal to P divided by 2 is equal to distance between one thread to another thread, and angle of V shaped means related to the trapezoidal shape. Trapezoidal shape is in a 29 degree. So and what is the distance is 0.36 P, and pitch is equal to P divided by 4. This is also one of the type of Acme thread we are using in a mechanical field. This is also some advantages. Stronger than square thread, is a little bit stronger and more stronger than square threads compared to square thread, and easy to manufacture. There is no complication or any critical in the manufacturing field. This is the type of Acme threads. Knuckle thread. So observe here, what is the knuckle means? Knuckle means is in a surface is rounding shaped, is in a round shaped or in a peripheral. So observe here pitch, what is the pitch, and so what is the purpose of is in a parabolic shaped surface is occurs in the P divided by 2, R is equal to P divided by 2, 4. So totally so different in the construction of thread compared to V thread, Acme thread and square thread is in a different, is in a parabolic or a different curve surface. So what is the advantages is not economically made, is not a purpose of economically made, is only purpose of using better results, and used in the rough and ready to work. So is anytime anywhere you can ready to work in the type of threads, and found in a couplings, bottlenecks, etc. So almost all we are using this type of thread is called as a couplings, bottleneck, etc. This is the knuckle thread. Next one is buttress thread. So this observe here is also one of the different type of thread. So we are compared to nominal major diameters here, nominal diameter and pitch diameter. H is equal to 0.989 times of A is equal to 0.5, S is equal to 0.139. See, observe here, very parameters is very different from different locations. This is the H and A, H divided by 2 area and 45 degree inclinations, the curved surface in a parabolic surface, pitch divided by 2, and what is the distance of pitch totally is different from the other threads. So what is the advantages of this type of thread? Buttress thread is used for transmission of power in one side, isn't it? Using of one side, only one side, there is no another side. Advantage of both square and V threads. Advantage for both V threads and using of square threads. Low frictional resistance characteristic square thread. Compared to square threads, we have less frictional resistance and same length as that of V thread, and capacity and same strength is also same in the V thread compared to same. This is the type of buttress thread. So next one is metric thread. Metric thread is it is an Indian standard thread. Is also one of the type of thread. M means metric thread. Similar to BSW thread, British standard Whitworth threads is similar to same, but only we are calling is metric thread. M indication of parameter is M. So see the observation here: major diameter, effective pitch diameter, minor diameter, and parabols of parameters of pitch divided by 2. Distance of a tip of the teeth is P by 8, and angle of pitch, thread is equal to 60 degree. H is H divided by 2, 5 divided by 2. These are all the parameters of the metric threads. Compared to the BSW is a similar to same, but we are calling is metric thread. It is an Indian standard threads, metric threads. So common types of screw fastenings. So what are the common types of screw fastenings here? Through bolts, tab bolts, studs, cap screws, machine screws, and set screws. These are the is a temporary fastening screws. Okay, tabs, bolts, studs. Okay. So see, observe here, through bolts. What is the through bolts means? One component, the through hole is ready to occur. So when the bolt is inserted and you can assemble easily. So see the through bolt. So metals, two types of metals is joined, and already we have drilled the hole and easily assembled both side, and one side is threaded bolt and another side is we are using of nut. So what is the through bolts? It is a cylindrical bar with threads for the nut and one end and head at the other end. One side is end is head and other one is net. Next second one is it is passed through the drilled holes in the two parts. When two components are using the joining the two metals, the drilled holes already make a hole, and we are using to pass through the drilling the hole and easy to assemble of the through bolts, and made with a either hexagonal or in a square threads or a square head bolts. Is in a almost all in our metric threads, almost all we are using is square bolt, or in a hexagonal bolt we are almost all we are using of in the field of mechanical threads. Next one is tap bolt. A tap bolt or a screw differs from a bolt. Tap bolt is a only top portion is bolt is there, bottom side is there is no bolt, only one side of head. It is screwed into a tapped hole of the one of the parts. Easily can just tightening the parts, and head is there and tightening the parts. This is the tap bolt. Fastened without the nut. There is no in that in through bolts both side one is head, second other side is nut is there, but here is only tap bolt we are using. There is no other end nut we are not using. This is the tap bolts. So next one is studs. Studs is also one of the type of easily you can assemble and disassemble of the component in anywhere in the material or in a wood or in a metals or in any component. There is here also top is one of the head is there in that in a circular square shaped groove is there. So for tightening the purpose of studs or hammering the studs. This is the one of the type of bolt. Stud is in a round bar headed both ends. So bottom shape is also in a screw shaped, and one end of the stud is screwed into a tapped hole. Screwed means top portion is in a groove, cutting a groove hole. You can usually in a type of screwdriver you can usually tighten the bolt. And other end receives the nut on it. Other end is there is no receiving a net. Only we are tightening the metal for usingly assembled. Studs are chiefly used instead of tap bolts for securing. Studs are cheaply caused for because of there is no circumstances, there is no chance of outer surface damages or any disturbance. They can use in a studs. Once studs is assembled, there is no main outside is not coming outside, so therefore the studs is easily using securing various kinds of covering plates. So this is the thank you one and all. So next class we'll have continue the next session. Thank you.